In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a PS5 that won't turn on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and check and make sure that your PS5 is plugged directly into a wall outlet. A lot of people like to use like power strips or extension cords, but sometimes those can cause power issues. So plug your console directly into the wall to help rule that out. You should also test the wall outlet by plugging in another device to make sure it's actually working. If the outlet itself isn't working, but your PS5 still won't turn on, we're going to move on to the next step, which is essentially turning the PS5 around and unplugging everything connected to it. This includes an HDMI cable, power cable, and any other accessories like Ethernet. Once everything is unplugged, leave the console sitting for about 1 minute. This is going to allow any remaining power in the system to fully drain out. After about a minute, plug everything back in and try turning on your PS5 again. If it still doesn't power on, press the power button multiple times. Sometimes the button itself might not be registering properly, or you may feel, like slightly stuck. So press it a few times because that may help. Another trick you could try as well if it's still not working is insert a disc into the PS5. When a disc is inserted, the console should automatically power on. So try inserting a game or a DVD and see if the system starts to start up. Now, if your PS5 turns on but nothing appears on the screen, that issue is going to be related to your display or system software, and in that case, you're going to want to boot the PS5 in a safe mode. So first, make sure the console is completely turned off. If necessary, unplug it and then plug it back in, and then press and hold down on the power button in the front of the console, and you're going to hear a first beep. And then wait till you hear that second beep after a few seconds. Just keep holding that button down until you hear that second beep. This is going to start that PS5 in safe mode. Now on screen, you should see a message asking you to connect your controller using a USB cable. Plug that into your controller and then of course connect the PlayStation button by hitting it on your controller. Once you're loaded into safe mode, you just need to select change video output and then change resolution, and your PS5 is going to allow you to select a bunch of different resolutions like automatic, 720p, 1080i, or 1080p. If the issue is caused by an incompatible display setting, try changing the resolution because that should fix the black screen. If that doesn't solve the problem, go back into safe mode and hit clear cache and then rebuild database. This will refresh any system files and fix software issues that might be preventing the console from starting properly. If your PS5 still isn't working, you could try resetting the console from safe mode as well. This should only be used as a last resort because it will erase literally all the data on your system. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.